One of the best practice in programming is not to reinvent the wheel, especially when there are plenty of useful built-in function that the coder may not be aware of. For example, the filter function in Python. The filter function in Python take two parameter, a function and a iterable. What it does is it filter the list by keeping only the element that satisfy the condition and remove the rest. Here is an example. We have a list of all number from 1 to 10, and we have a function called is event function, which take the input x. What it does is it check whether x is an even number or not. So if x is an even number, the function will return true, and if not, it will return false. And this is how we use the filter function. We create a variable called even numbers. We call the filter function, which take the function of is even function and also take the list of all number, and we convert the even number variable into list, and then when we print the even number list, we receive the output of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, which are all even number. Compared to the original list of all number, all the odd number are not including in the new list. So this is how we can use the filter function.